Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is lecture number 74 of mathematics. Yesterday we discussed the concept of triangles and the theorem related to them. Today we are going to start exercise 11a and we will utilize our knowledge we gained in the previous lecture. So let's get started. Question number 1 is saying for each of the following given the sizes of A and B, sketch triangle ABC. Find angle C and hence classify each triangle according to the number of equal sides it has and the types of angles it has. For example, equilateral triangle and acute triangle. So in the first question, they given us angle A is 20 degree and angle B is 60 degree. So let us sketch the triangle. For that I need the ruler. So I am bringing this ruler and I am drawing a line because it is not particularly mentioned that draw the line of this much length. So you are quite free to draw any length of the line. Let us label it with A and I am labeling it with B. Now the next job is to draw a line and angle at point A. For that particular purpose, I am drawing an angle of 20 degree. You can see that from the middle of the ruler that it is 20 degree. So I am making sure that the vertex is absolutely correct and then I am drawing a line of as much length as well. So I am labeling this to be 20 degree and let me label it with A dash. Now the next job is to draw a line in the clockwise direction as the 60 degree at B. For that again I am bringing that and here I am drawing an angle because I am drawing an angle of 60 degree. So I have to adjust it because I will have to add it to the 90 degree angle because you had observed on the protractor that there are two types of calibration. If you are drawing an angle from one side, then you have to take the calibration which is at the bottom, and when you are drawing an angle from the other side, so you have to take it as the upper calibration. So here because I am drawing the angle at the 60 degree and that is from point B, so I have to adjust my scale according to the given angle. So I have to draw an angle of 120 degree I have to draw an angle of 120 degree, and that will be equal to 60, because if we are subtracting from 180 the 60, so it will remain as ladies and gentlemen, this will be a 60 degree angle, so we are labeling it as 60 degree. Now where the two lines are intersecting each other, we are gonna label it as C, and our main purpose is to find the value of this angle, which is C. So you can measure it with the protractor, as well as you can use the mathematical calculations to find the value. Yesterday we discussed that the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Now putting the value of A is 20 degree, and that is 60 degree, and because we are finding the values of C, so we are leaving as it is. Now this will be equal to 80 degree plus angle C, and which is equal to 180 degree. Now shifting this 80 to the other side of equal symbol, we will get negative of that value. In this case, this will be equal to what? That will be equal to minus 80. So let's subtract it, and we are getting the third value as to be 100. Now according to the angle, because one angle is greater than the uh, 90 degree, so it is an obtuse angle triangle, obtuse angled and triangle 1. And on the second, if we are measuring all these values here, for example, I am measuring this here and here as well, then it means that it is almost about the 80 centimeter line. But if we are measuring this line, this is almost roughly it is 4.5. And similarly, if we are measuring this one, that is equal to 7.3 something. So ladies and gentlemen, because all the sides are not equal, so it is a scalene triangle. That is a scalene triangle. Now let us do this question through the software. I am taking 2 points, in which this is point number A, and let me move this label beneath it. So this is A and B. Now we are going to draw an angle at point A, and that is an angle of 20 degrees. So I have to select first this point and then this point, and then I have to write 20 degree angle and then click on OK. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the angle. Now we are going to draw another angle. That is an angle at B, which is of 60 degree. So select this one and this one, and then I have to write 60 degree here, but it should be clockwise as I told you in that case. So now the next part is to make the line visualize. So let us make this line and this line visual. So let us first connect this line with this line and this line with this line. So wherever they are intersecting each other, we have to call that another point, and we labeled it as C. You can see that now this is 20 degree and this is the 60 degree. We have to measure the C angle. So let's do it. I am measuring this C angle from here, and you can see that it is given to us as 100. It is given to us as 100 uh, a degree. And that is we also found on that slide. So let us now find the distance between these 2 points, and you can see it is 6.3, and in these 2 points the length is 2.2. Now let us find the length between these two, and that is 5.6. The main purpose of this activity was to show you that all the lengths of the triangles are not the same. So when the sides lengths are not of the same size, then we are calling it scalene. And because one angle in this particular case is 100 degree, which is greater than 190 and less than 180, so that is called obtuse angle, and as a result we are calling this triangle to be an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, now let's do the second question here as well. So ladies and gentlemen, they given us in the book A is equal to 70 degree and B is equal to 40 degree. Our first job is to draw 2 points, and that is A and B. This is point number A and this is point number B. You can draw it anywhere with the scale. It is not that it should be a straight line. You can draw it anywhere. Now the next uh, job is to draw at point A the angle 70. So let's do it. I am selecting this angle, and here I am drawing it with the 70 degree, and that will be counterclockwise. So that is A B dash. Now ladies and gentlemen, let us draw at B the angle 40 degree. So we have to write angle 40 here, and that is, you saw that I not selected the uh, clockwise, so it is in this direction. You can see it below, so we have to select the 40 degree, and here we have to select the clockwise, then we will be able to correctly portray it. Now next job is to make the line segments visualize. Let's do that. This and this and this, and that B is with this line, and also I am connecting this with this line, so they are intersecting each other at point A dash, as you can see it. This is 70 degree and this is the 40 degree. We have to measure the angle A, and let us measure this A dash and B angle, and you can see that it is equal to 70 degree, which is this one. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see that two angles are of the same size, and they are called the base angle, and the triangle whose two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. They are isosceles triangle uh, in this case. So this is an isosceles triangle, and because all the angles are less than 90, so in that case we can say that this triangle is acute angle triangle. Now ladies and gentlemen, let us move our focus to part number third. In part number third, they are saying that angle A is 60 and angle B is 60. So first I am drawing two angles, 2 points, and that is C and D. Let's begin it from the scratch. So we will see A and B because they given us A and B. So I am drawing point A and B, and then at A I have to draw an angle of the 60 degree, so that I am labeling as 60 degree, which is now B A B dash, and that is equal to 60 degree. Now you can see that it is 60 degree, and let us move this label beneath the point so we can visualize it correctly. Our next job is to draw an angle of 60 as well at point B. So we are only have to select the clockwise and then click on OK. Our next job is to make the line segment visible. So you can see that this and this and these lines are, so we are making this type of triangle. Ladies and gentlemen, this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree. Now let's find the other angle let us measure it, and then we will see that what is the value of that. A dash and B. There it is. It is also equal to 60 degrees. So all the angles are equal. So it means that this is on the basis of angles is an equilateral triangles, and on the basis of acute angle triangle, this is equilateral because all the sides are equal. Let us find the distance of this and this, which is 6.6, and the distance between this is also, and the angle. You can see that all the sides are of the equal size. So we can conclude that this is an equilateral triangle, and on the basis of length of the sides, you can see that this is 6.6 and this is also 6.6. So it is an acute angle triangle because all the angles are equilateral triangle on the basis of sides, and on the basis of angles it is an acute angle triangle. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for part number C. There is a part number D in which angle A is 42 degree and angle B is 48 degree. So let us first draw these two lines, and that is A angle, A point and B point of any length. Then our job is to draw an angle of 42 degree on point A. So let us do that, and we will select first this point B and then point A, and here I will give it 42 as the value because it is given in the book. Now from this side to this side it is 48. So I have to write 48 here, and then clockwise I have to select, that is mandatory. So if I click this, so 48 degree is there. Next job is to visualize those line segments. So let us do that. First AB and then BA dash and AB dash. We visualize that with the angle, and let's make these angle a bit more clearer. So we will see that one angle is 42 degree and the second angle is 48 degree. Now we have to measure the angle which is labeled as, let me label that point, and that is here, and we labeled it as C. So we are going to find the value of C in this case. So let us measure that angle NACA. There it is, and how beautifully it has been labeled for you, and that is 90 degree. So any triangle having one angle equal to 90 degree is called right angle triangle. So in that context, this triangle is what? this triangle is a right angle triangle. Let us measure the length of these points. The first one is 6.9, the second one is 4.6, and the third one is 5.1. As ladies and gentlemen, you can see that the first one is different from the second one, and the second one is different from the third one. So when all the sides are not equal, they are called scalene triangle. So this is a scalene triangle on the basis of sides, and this is an uh, right angle triangle on the basis of angle measurement. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was the whole story about the question number 1. We performed all the 3 parts. So now let us turn our focus to question number 2. And for that we have to go to the blackboard. Here is the blackboard, and now we are doing question number 2. What actually the question number 2 is saying, for each of the following, the given angle is the base angle of an isosceles triangle. Find the third angle of the triangle. First of all, you have to understand that the triangle whose two sides are 2 angles are equal is called isosceles triangle. So in this case they given us 40 degree. So those two angles are equal according to the basic law that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle must be equal to 180 degree. Because the two base angles are equal in measurement, so we can find the third one as well. Now very simply we can say that 180 degree minus 80 degree is equal to 100 degree. So that is the answer of the first part. In B part they given us 87 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, and 87 plus 87 plus angle C, and that is equal to 180 degree. So that will be equal to 174 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C I am writing directly will be equal to 6 degree. Now let's move to the next part, and that is C. The base angle is given as 15 degree. So 15 degree plus 15 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Here in this case I am writing that 180 degree and negative 30 degree is equal to 150 degree. Now the D part of this question is saying that 79 degree is the base angle. So we have to write 79 degree plus 79 degree plus angle C, and that is equal to 180 degree. So that will be equal to 158 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, and angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 158 degree. So when we are subtracting this, so it will be equal to 22 degrees. So the third angle is 22 degree. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to stop it here, and tomorrow we will come with the new concept of question number 3. More fun is coming on your way, so don't miss it. If you haven't subscribed my channel and you are new to this channel, I said I'm saying welcome to you, and please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.